Hi, I'm James. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install an Aqualisa smart diverter. If you are installing an Aqualisa dual outlet system, you will need to install a smart diverter. If you're installing a diverter for an Aqualisa Q Smart Shower, please refer to our separate video. All other Aqualisa smart diverter showers can be installed as shown in this video. Using a 15mm push-fit connector, connect the diverter box to the outlet of the smart valve. Fix the diverter using the adjustable feet. Connect the blended supply pipes from the diverter to the bathroom feeds. Remove the lids from the diverter and the smart valve. There are two possible wiring configurations. For Visage, Viso and Zuri, the main controller cable plugs into the diverter. Connect the 2-meter patch lead cable from the secondary port of the diverter and the first port of the quartz valve. For Quartz, Rise, Hi-Q and Infinia, the main controller cable plugs directly into the quartz valve. Connect the 2-meter patch lead cable from the secondary port of the smart valve and the first port of the diverter. Replace the lids to the smart valve and diverter and secure using the fixing screws. Ensure that all isolation valves are fully open.